Morning. Again, the new topic is sexually transmitted disease. STDs. What is that? Basically, it is called sexually transmitted disease. What happens? First of all the disease that can transfer from one person to another person by sexual act or intercourse is called sexually transmitted disease. So, few diseases we will discuss right now. One is called AIDS. All you know what is the full form of AIDS? That question also came in exam. Full form is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and it is caused by a virus. The name of virus is HIV. The full form is very important. HIV, human immunovirus. Okay, what it does with the body? Basically, this disease was identified first time in 1982-81 in Africa. Okay, then finally in India it is first time identified or traced in Rajasthan in Pushkar in 1991. Now, because of the sexual activity, it is spreading from one person to another person. Right now, the maximum patients are present in Rajasthan in Pali district. Okay, so it's very difficult to treat, because what happens, the immunity of human being, that means immunity of WBC is severely impaired. Finally, what happens, the body immunity is impaired, then any bacteria enters into the body and it can create the disease. That's why it is very important. It is a sexually transmitted disease. But other meaning also, by that it can enters into the body. Like it can enters by infected blood or blood product, infected needles, syringe, injection. Okay. So even from infected mother to her newborn child. So that's why very serious disease. HIV, the name of virus, and the disease is called AIDS, and transfer from one person to another by infected blood, by infected needle and syringes, surgical product, by from mother to newborn baby, and by the unprotected sexual activity. Keeping only thing which can protect from HIV AIDS is only one thing that we will discuss in our next topic after that. But first of all, it is the first disease I discussed, AIDS. Now second disease is syphilis. What is syphilis? It is a caused by a bacteria, and it affects the urogenital tract. Okay, syphilis, very severe sexual transmitted disease. Syphilis is caused by a bacteria and it affects the urogenital tract. Okay, and but no need to worry, it can be treated with the antibiotics which is available in the market, and the gynae practitioner and the special doctor called MBBS DVD, doctors of venereal disease. They treat these kind of disease. Okay. Third disease is called gonorrhea. That is also caused by bacteria, and it is also the disease of urogenital tract, and it can be treated with medicine and combination of antibiotics. And the last one we will discuss right now. Fourth is genital rods. What happens? Small lesions of pus form at the reproductive organs that are called genital rods. And what happens? These pus formed lesions are, or ulceration or boils will form that create the problem even in genital area also. That is also a STD, sexual transmitted disease, and the main causative agent is virus. Okay. So these are the sexual transmitted disease 4 in our course. We must know about that, and for them we can protect ourselves only. We have to maintain healthy relationship and hygienic condition.